I got a battery for the 1969 Ford Ranger. It's out of my Chevy C20 because I just bought a brand new battery for that truck, so now I got the previous battery for my Chevy, or my Ford. So both of my trucks now have batteries. And the brand new battery wasn't cheap, it was like 87 bucks. But I don't think batteries are supposed to be cheap. Gonna go on ahead and set this battery in. So I got a battery connection, I can tell from those. It's a good thing those work. That's good, eh? Okay, the wipers that can shut off. See if it just cranks over. And that would be a connection because it's just clicking. So what I've done here, I've just taken a flathead screwdriver, just pounded it in. That makes the tighter connection. And if that doesn't work, it'll be this one. Let's give it a try. I don't plan to get it running, I just want it to be able to turn over. And same problem. So after trying forever to get these things to work with no connection, I finally got fed up with it and just went to my local part source and bought new cables. So it should work, and if it not, then I'm gonna have a problem. This is not what a battery terminal post should look like. This is what they should look like. I have the battery installed very loosely though, because I just had a bad experience. You're always supposed to hook the positive up first, then the negative, or red first and then black. So the battery started smoking, and that's not good. But there is good news, as opposed to the name. Bad news. I'll just let you watch. I don't have the gas tank set up, but this is good. Very good that it's at least cranking over. So that's just wonderful. I'm very happy with it, and for 20 bucks, it's worth it. Now I just need to hook up the gas tank, get some gas, and I'm on my way. So now I'll be making a trip to the gas station and getting some gas. Pour a little down the intake and get rid of these old terminals. I hate those terminals. They just remind me of dead batteries and horrible stuff. I don't like them. But as you can see, there's no gas tank, so now I'll have to just use like a jerry can and just feed that into there like that, and then it should work. So I'll probably have it running very soon. I hope so. Now for just a few shots of the truck.